Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove watermark from video. So to remove watermark from video, I'm gonna use a CapCut. CapCut is a very popular video editor available. You can get it for free. So for that, you have to go to the browser and then search for CapCut and you will get to its website. From there, you have to download it for free. Once you have downloaded it, then you have to install it. Once the installation is done, then you just have to simply open it up. Once you open it up, you can go to create project, or if you already have created a project, simply open it up. So once you have imported the video on which you want to remove the watermark, then on the top you can see we have different options. From these options you have to click on effects. As you click onto the effects, then all the effects will appear there. Then you have to search for the blur effect. It is free, then you have to download it. Don't worry, you have to click onto it, then it will get downloaded onto it. Then you have to click onto that plus icon, and then you have to just simply set it to the duration of your video. Right now the whole video gets blurred, don't worry. As you have selected your filter or that effect, on the right side we have this window in which you have this option mask. Click onto it and click on add mask. As you click onto it, then you get different options. You can choose any one of these. I'm going with that square one. Now it will initially appear in there. Now you have to simply put it on that watermark. Simply place it, and then we have to just simply set its size to the size of that watermark. If the watermark is big enough, then we have to set it according to it, and just simply make sure that it just fully covers the watermark. There is no space left, and then you just have to simply play the video, and here you can see it has fully covered the watermark and it is almost invisible. So that's how you can remove watermark from video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.